Hi, my friends. Welcome back. Thanks for supporting our community with comments and likes. Our community is growing now. One thing you need to know as a content creator is how to edit video. Let's do this video and show you some basic skills. Anyway, we're going to open our files here. As you notice, I have 3 hamburgers. They look really delicious. Can you tell me which one is the Five Guys burger? Anyway, the first way to edit them is the long way. This is sort of boring, but anyway, we'll go through it. And you can see here I brought it down the timeline. If I play it, the sound is not that great. I need to remove the sound. I unlink the video with the audio and I delete it. Now if I want to combine the clips, I just drag down the next one right next to it and I follow the same steps. Very easy to do that. This is a long way. This is a way I don't like doing it, but I thought I'd give you a little bit of a look into it. Anyway, I don't like this. Anyway, I'll just click here and just show you how it linked it together. This is the long, boring way. People won't find it very interesting. Anyway, let's just stop this right here in a second, and you can see it just goes right over the next video. Anyway, we're going to get rid of this. Just delete this, and delete this as well. We're going to go up here into the plugins, and we're going to go into the Video Collage Designer. Now, this is kind of interesting and fun. We have all these templates up here. Let's have a look at them. Just click on this icon here to get a better view. We have 3 clips, so we're looking for one with 3. This one looks fine. Click on it here. Click OK. Now there's a way of bringing these in. You can bring them in individually by just clicking and dragging them. Or you can just click off it and just click this button here and they will all be brought into the video. Now you can see these are all different lengths. We want them all the same lengths. I just click on the scissors here. I want them to be about 15 seconds. Just click in the values here. So just put 15 and 0, 0 here. And I want to do the same to all 3 clips. It takes a few seconds to do it, but overall this is the more easier way. Again, I just go down here, press my values and click OK. And we'll do the same to this one. This one's over a minute. That is just too long. Again, 0 and 15. And make sure this is 0 as well. And perfect and easy. Okay, next thing I want to do is show you how to remove the sound. You just click on this here and it silences all 3 clips. So now we have no sound. If I want to just zoom in on one video, I can go down here and I can just go along and zoom it into where I want it to, and then I'll just show you the video what it looks like after I do that. There we go. And you can see it's zoomed in there. Now I don't like that. Just click stop. Next thing I can do is play with the border. I can change the color first. I'll make it a nice orange color, matches with the food. And I can just change the size. I can bring it as thick as I want or as thin as I want, or I don't even need a border at all. It really depends. Anyway, I'll leave the orange there. And there's lots of different features here you can play with. You can go with this one here. I'm going to change the color to green and click OK. And then it goes like this. Okay, so there's lots of different stuff you can play with there. If you want to put a different background, you can click this one here. But anyway, we're finished here. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to send it to my timeline. Once I get it over the timeline, say I want to put some images into this, I can just go here, click on it, and let's find an interesting image that we want to use. And he's hungry from looking at all the burgers, so we'll just bring this image in here. Now if I want to do some changes to this, I can bring it here, and it gives me lots of options. And let's just say I want it to be less transparent, so I can just click on it here. And then you can see the transparency has changed. I'm just going to go a little bit more here, and that looks fine. And then I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click on it and move it somewhere here. That's really good watermark to protect copyright. If you don't want other people using your video, you can put it here and it looks awesome. Anyway, let's have a look at this video. And it looks like super yummy. I'm getting really hungry just looking at it. Anyway, there's lots you can do here. You can add sound to this as well. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our community. See more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.